What's up guys, so it's stats update time and this month was super busy for me. I have to increase my stats but I also have to collect resource because if you already don't know, I'm planning to upgrade my mansion from elite 1 to elite 5 and that kind of jump require a lot of resource. So I'm trying to collect resource and most probably by next month I will have enough resource to make my jump from elite 1 to elite 5. So this month we have made very good progress even though I was not expecting this, but we have still made very good progress despite of majority of my time has been gone to collect resource, and this is the only reason I have stayed in this city because I wanted to collect resource peacefully in order to upgrade my mansion from elite 1 to elite 5, and that required a peaceful city. If you will go in a crowded city, it's just complete mess. You already know these fighting between the clans happen all the time. This is a normal thing in Mafia City world, so I'm not ready for this, especially when I want to upgrade my mansion. So that's why I stayed in the city. So in terms of progress, we made very good progress. Let's just don't waste any time. Let's just take a look at my stats from last month. They are on your screen. You can see we made a lot of progress and I was very happy because I completed my overall goal in terms of Bulker health. I wanted to reach 250 plus Bulker health for 1000 shooter stats and I have already done that. You can see on your screen I am very close to get 1000 shooter stats. You can see 965, 658 and 227. Yes, shooter health was a problem until last month guys. Until last month we have a problem in terms of shooter health. So these are my stats from previous month. Now let's take a look at my stats from this month and you are going to be very surprised. This is my Bulker stats. Bulker attack 522, Bulker defense 563 and Bulker health 254. I have upgraded my Bulker health by 3%. I have upgraded my Bulker defense. I think my Bulker defense is also improved and my Bulker attack has been improved as well. So all three of my stats are improved. The progress is not that major, but yeah, we are still moving ahead. That's a good thing. Now let's move on to my shooter stats and this is where you are going to get surprised. So shooter attack is 973%, shooter defense is 654% and shooter health guys is 243%. So you can see the progress is right in front of your screen. Last month my shooter health was 227% and now it's 243%. So I made a lot of improvement in my shooter health and we are just 7% behind from our overall shooter health goal, 27% behind on our overall shooter attack goal. You can see these guys that even I'm elite 1, I'm still making a lot of progress. All of this is without putting any kind of money in this account. So yeah, it was very hard and it's still very hard, but I am somehow managing this. I have made a promise with all of you guys that I'm going to do this. So once I upgraded my mansion to elite 5, this all will be a piece of cake for me. I will easily get 1000 shooter attack, easily get 700% shooter defense and easily get 250 plus shooter health. You can see we still made progress despite that I'm trying to collect resource. So this is my stats update. Now how I achieve this is simply just trying to put more orange and golden quality emblems in my equipment. And I'm regularly buying emblems box from my SVIP store. So a lot of people think that it's not worth it to buy these emblem chests from your golden card or buying them from SVIP store. But I think it's not the case, especially for you if you are not going to buy any packs. If you're not going to buy any packs, then there is no way for you except this to upgrade your emblems. Even though 6 to 7 out of 10 you will get the emblems that you don't want, but 2 to 3 times you will get the emblems that you want. If you will continue doing this, you will upgrade your emblems and you will get stronger. So don't follow this if you are not buying any packs for emblems. It's only for them who already have upgraded their emblems to the maximum and there is no point for them to buy them anymore. Then I agree with them that it's no point to buy these emblem chests for your golden cards from SVIP store. But if you are not one of those guys, then there is no point for you to follow this. So that's my overall advice for you. Majority of my progress is from those emblems. And one more thing is that I have upgraded one babe and it's almost 5-star. I'm trying to make her 5-star. You can see her on your screen. So this is all the progress I have made in this month. Not a lot of things to talk about, but still very decent progress. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments and any advice will be welcome from you guys. Anyway, I'll see you in the next. Peace.